children. They are going to act a simple play. It's about four boys. One has just watched the English Avatar movie and is talking to his friends, but he doesn't know anything about Vishnu Avatar. So his other three friends are going to enlighten him about our Vishnu Avatar, or Dasha Avatar. So this play is about Dasha Avatar. Okay, so that's it.
Hey friends, the other day I was watching James Cameron's film Avatar. What a message about an evolving environment. The story is about a certain Himalayan species called Navi who is of a peaceful nature. They are tall and 12 feet in height. It's set in the year 2154, and you know what? Today's sequels are pulling in. This man is so passionate about the environment and wants to see a change in Mother Earth.
That's really heartening to hear, Subhash. But have you heard of the avatars of our Hindu mythology?
Please enlighten me.
See, avatars came when righteousness takes a dip and the good people suffer. Till date, there have been 10 avatars. Each of them came with a special mission to correct a particular problem prevalent during that time.
Oh, I see. When did they come? Was it last century or something?
No. You know that we had 4 cyclic ages? The first is Golden Age, Satya Yuga, then Silver Age, Treta Yuga, then Bronze Age, Dwapara Yuga, and Iron Age, Kali Yuga. 4 of them came during Golden Age. Come, let me show you. Brace yourself. These are just miniature versions I'm showing you. You have to blow it up 100 or more times. The beings in those ages were also huge as 16 feet.
Oh my! This is